Aloha, ka kahiaka, e na haumana. Good morning, students. You folks remember me? My name is Kumu D. Okay, and we're gonna learn, or I'm gonna teach you a little about Hawaiiana. Okay, um, like I said, the first word we had learned was the word aloha. Okay, aloha means to love, caring, sharing, being kind to one another, and being respectful. Okay? And before we continue, ho'omau, continue, I'm going to go over Kumu's rules, okay? Classroom rules. Hawaiian calls that kanawai, okay? Folks obey rules. Alrighty. The first one, as we know from last week, is nana. Everyone say nana. Nana means to look, okay? Nana kamaka, look with your eyes, okay? The next one is ho'olohe. Okay? Ho'olohe is to what? To listen. Ho'olohe ka pepeao. Listen with your what? Your ears. Okay? Very good. Next one we say, pa'a kawaha. Pa'a kawaha. Can you folks say that? Pa'a kawaha. That means don't speak or be quiet. Okay? Next one is hapai kolima. Raise your hand. If you have a ninau, a question, okay? Ninau means question, or you know the answer, okay? Right now we can't do this, okay? But when you folks either come to Kumu's class or I go to your class, hapai kolima. Or this is also good for your own Kumu. When you have any questions or you have the answer, hapai kolima. Raise your what? Hand. Lima is your hand. Okay. Noho ilalo. Say noho ilalo. That means to what? Sit down. Yes, my ka'i. And ku'iluna. Okay? Ku'iluna. That means to what? Stand up. My ka'i. Very good. Okay? Once more. Or go over. Ho'oma'a. Practice. Okay? Nanakamaka means to what? Look. My ka'i. Ho'olohe ka pepeao is to what? Listen with your ears. Mai kai. Pa'a kawaha. Waha is your mouth. Don't speak. Close your mouth. Okay? Hapai kolima. If you have a question or you know the answer, hapai kolima. Raise your hand. Ninau is a question. Okay? Noho ilalo. Noho is to sit down. Okay? Ku'iluna. Stand up. Okay. Mai ka'i for Kumu's kanawai or her rules. Okay? We're going on to the different times of day. Aloha ka kahiaka. We know that means what? Aloha ka kahiaka. Good what? Good morning. Yes. Aloha ka kahiaka. Good morning. As the sun is rising. Do you know it rises from the east? Mai ka'i. Very good. Next one. Aloha avakia. Okay. What is this man and this lady is doing? They're eating. Yes. So, aloha avakia is the middle of the day or good day. Okay? They're having lunch. Okay? And between the hours of 10 and 2, you folks have your lunch. You folks have second recess and time to go home. Get ready to go home. Mai kai. Ka'i, because you're all done with school, yeah? Okay, the next one is, oh, ikalamai. I'm so sorry. This is the next one. It's aloha. Can you folks say aloha? Ahuinala. Aloha, ahuinala. Okay, this man is fixing his fishnet. The sun is getting ready to go down. So this would be like about the hour of 2 and 6, between 2 and 6 o'clock. Okay, aloha, ahuinala. Aloha, ahuinala. Okay. You folks are on your way home from school. Aloha ahuinala. Alrighty. Next one is aloha ahi ahi. Okay. Aloha ahi ahi. Did you know that ahi in Hawaiian means fire? Okay. So when the sun goes down and it's getting dark, they light the fire, the ahi, because they couldn't see, right? It's all dark. So that's why they say aloha ahi ahi. They light the fire because it's dark. They couldn't see. Okay, but he's going night fishing. Okay, he's spearing the fish. And the next one, okay, ah hui ho. Everyone say ah hui ho. Okay, ah hui ho. That means until we meet again. So they're telling their kupuna or their grandma is until we meet again. Okay, mai ka'i. Alrighty? So the first one is aloha ka kahiaka. That's good morning. Okay? First get up, brush your teeth, eat your breakfast, come to school. Okay? Aloha avakea. That's the middle of the day, between the hour of 10 and 2. Okay? Aloha avakea. Alright? Middle of the day, good day. Okay? The next one is aloha ahuinala. Aloha ahuinala. Okay? That's between the hour of 2 and 6. That's when the sun is getting ready to go down. Okay? Aloha ahi ahi. That's in the evening. Okay? What does ahi mean in Hawaiian? What did I tell you? When the sun goes down, the Hawaiians light the what? The ahi, the fire, so they can see. Okay? Alrighty. So continuing on, we'll do aloha ka kahiaka. Okay? I know some of you know this song because I've taught this to you when you were in preschool and in kindergarten. Okay? So now we're just going, Kumu is just reviewing. Okay? If some of you have had Kumu before, okay, you folks know this song. Alrighty? And let's help the others too. Okay. When Kumu says ma kao kao, that means what? Get ready. Okay? And what do you answer? I. That means what? Yes. I means yes in Hawaiian. Can you folks see this? My poster? Okay. Let me try getting a little bit so you folks can see it a little better. Ah, my ka'i. Arima kakao, you say I. Aloha ka kahiaka. Aloha ka kahiaka. Aloha ka kahiaka to you. Aloha ka kahiaka. Aloha ka kahiaka to you. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. And I'm feeling just fine. I'm going to put yesterday in the back of my mind. I'm going to try to do everything I know I should. I'm going to say, Imua. Everybody make Shaka sign. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. It's going to be my kahi good. Aloha ka kahiaka. Aloha ka kahiaka kahiaka to you. Aloha kakahiaka. Aloha kakahiaka to you. Aloha, 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 aloha. Mai kai pai pai lima. What does pai pai lima means? Clap your hands. Mai kai, very good. Okay, so let's review. Alrighty. Vai ho'olu'u. What does vai ho'olu'u means? Colors, that's right. Okay, we're going to sing the colors of the what? Anui nui. Can everyone say anui nui? Yes, my ka'i. That means rainbow. Okay, so I'm going to turn my back for a while to you folks. So say, okay, so ikalamai iyao. I'm sorry, excuse me. Okay. Here we go. Okay, the rainbow song. Alrighty, I know a lot of you know this song. Let me just kind of move it up there. Okay, we got it. Alrighty, let's go over it. Fast one. Alrighty? Okay. Vai ho'olu'u. Everyone say vai ho'olu'u. Okay? That means colors. Okay? Ula ula. Everyone say ula ula. Ula ula is red. Mele mele. Mele mele is what color? Yellow. Yes. Very good. Then we say poni. Poni is purple. Okay. Polu. Now that matches with blue. Yes. Polu, blue. Palaunu. Everyone say palaunu. Palaunu is brown. Oma oma'o. Oma oma'o. Oma oma'o is green. Yes. Ahina hina. Ahina hina is gray. Okay. Akala. Akala. Akala is pink. I love akala. Alani. Alani. Alani is orange. Okay. Ele, ele. Say ele, ele. Ele, ele is what? Black. Ke'o, ke'o. Ke'o, ke'o. Ke'o, ke'o is white. Just like the papa'i, the crab. Okay? Then we say nui nui. Rainbow. Okay? Let's get Kumu on the side over here. Can you folks see that? Let me move it just a little more, okay? Just a little more right here. How's that? I think it's better. Okay. Yes, we can start now. What does Kumu say? Makau-kau. Already? And you answer what? I. Say I. What does I mean in Hawaiian? My ka'i. I means yes. Ready? Let's see what. So your Kumu can see this. Makau-kau. ula ula is red. Mele mele we say yellow. Pony and Paloo, purple and blue. Palaunu's color is brown. Oma oma o is green. Ahina hina we say gray. Akala and Alani, pink and orange. Ele ke o black and ele ke o black and white. Ula ula is red. Mele mele we say yellow. Pony and Paloo, purple and what? Blue. Palaunu's color is brown. Oma oma o is green. Ahina hina we say gray. Akala and Alani, pink and orange. Ele ke o black and white. Ele ke o black and white. Ah nui nui. Everyone say rainbow. My ka'i. Okay, I am going to read a mo'olelo to you, a story, okay? The secret of the Hawaiian rainbow. All right, okay? We're just going over, we're reviewing ho'oma'a practice, okay? The secret of the Hawaiian rainbow. All righty. Okay, here we go. Can you folks see that? Well, maybe I should just read it to you folks, okay? And I'll show the page after, okay? There once was a time in Hawaii when there were no rainbows. Whenever it rained, it was always dull, dark, and gloomy. A little menehune said, "Let us make a nui nui. Let us make a Hawaiian rainbow." So the menehune set out to find the very special colors that they would need. Okay? So menehune, already, are little Hawaiian men. They're like elves. Okay? Ula ula. What color is that? Oh, my ka'i. They took a red kahili from the royal palace. Okay? Ula ula. Can you folks see that? Ula ula. Now, the kahili is a symbol of royalty. Okay? It's made out of feathers. Okay? Ula ula. My ka'i. Alani. They picked the soft, pretty orange flowers of the ilima. Ilima. Okay? See, Alani, okay, is orange color, but they picked the ilima. The ilima is orange. And by the way, the ilima is a flower for the island of Oahu. That's this island. Okay? Alani. Alani is orange, and the ilima is the flower for Oahu, our island. Okay? Mele mele. They chose the ripest yellow banana or maya from the tallest banana trees near their village. Everyone say, mele mele, mele mele. Yellow, okay? As we can see, Maya in Hawaiian means what? Banana. Kai. O ma'o ma'o. Say o ma'o ma'o right here. O ma'o ma'o. Okay? O ma'o ma'o. They gathered the many different kinds of green ferns from the mountains and the valley. Again, o ma'o ma'o. O ma'o ma'o is green. Polu. They filled in umeke. I'm sorry, clear blue water taken from the deepest part of the sea. Umeke is a bowl, okay? We call that ipotu, okay? Blue, polu, okay? Those little mini hune. Yes. Okay. Pony is purple, okay? Pony, last of all, they snipped a small piece of purple silk from the holoku of the queen. Okay? Holoku is her mu'u. Okay? Say purple pony. Okay? Then the menehune placed all that they had gathered in a large koa bowl, or we say umeke. A kahuna, or Hawaiian wizard, who had special powers and who was a friend of the menehune, then slowly began to mix and stir everything in the bowl. When all the things that they had gathered were blended together, the kahuna, right here, took a slender sugarcane flower stalk, right here, dipped it into the bowl, and held it up for all to see. Can you folks see that? Oh, they were so excited to see what the kahuna did. Yes. At the very tip of the cane stalk hung a tiny droplet of water. Touched by the sunlight, the tiny droplet suddenly burst into all the colors that the menehune had gathered, all the colors of the Hawaiian rainbow, a nui nui. The kahuna then took his kaka, a small stick bowl, and shot the sugarcane stalk like an arrow into a cloud. A gentle rain, or ua, began to fall. Into each raindrop is now stored all the colors of the rainbow, said the kahuna. The menehune began to cheer. Rainbows were appearing everywhere. The sky was full of colors. The kahuna smiled and said, "It will now be a sign to remind all people how important vai, which is water, and ua, which is rain, is to all living things, and its beauty will be for all to enjoy." Okay? So we say vai. What is vai? Water. Ua is rain. Very good. May your life be filled with a nui nui, rainbows. The end. Pai lima mai kai. Okay. And I'd like to teach you folks something else, okay? We'll do more of this next week. Is pia pot. I think some of you remember this, okay? what is piapa? Okay. It has 13 letters in it, but the English has 26 of them. Okay, here we go. Can you folks see that? Let me kind of move it up. Here. I think I can move this just a little. Ikalamai. Excuse me. Okay. I'm gonna have to. Can you folks see that? Wait, let me. Okay. Yeah. You folks can see that just a little. Okay. Let me see if I can move it up. Okay. Ikalamai. Let me just move my things around here. Let's go down this way. Okay, let's move this on this side. I'm sorry, kind of like. Can you folks see that? Sorry. Ekalamai. Okay. Let's see. Let's move this a little bit more. Sorry. Mahalo for being so patient with Kumu. Okay. All right. So, piapa. Okay, got that? Piapa. That's the Hawaiian alphabet. Yeah. Piapa. Okay. Hawaiian alphabet. Okay, so we know that the English alphabet have how many? 26 letters. The Hawaiians got only half. Okay? So I'll go over it with you. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. That's 5. Okay? And we still need how many more? 8. Alrighty. Kalamai, let's see. Okay. Kalamai, here we go. I am so sorry. Okay? Okay, can we see that? Okay, 13 letters in the P-A-Pa. Okay? Here. Okay. You folks might have sing along with Kumu, like when you folks are in the 1st grade. Okay. There are 13 letters in the P-A-Pa, the P-A-Pa, the P-A-Pa. There are 13 letters in the P-A-Pa. That's the Hawaiian alphabets. Okay? The first 5 letters are known as vowels, known as vowels, known as vowels. The first 5 letters are known as vowels. So we say A, E, I, O, U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. The last 8 letters are the consonants. The consonants. We say he, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, hue, and okina. Okay, this here is also an alphabet, and it's a glottal stop. For example, we say Hawaii. Okay, there's a okina between the 2 I's, the 2 vowels. So it's Hawaii. Make a short stop, a glottal stop. Okay, so let's go ahead and sing this. Okay, kalamai. folks see that? Try and move this a little further down, okay? Going to the piapa mele, all right? And then we're going to do the alphabet, okay? Ekalamai, all righty. Let me do the mele first. Arima kaukau. There are 13 letters in the piapa, the piapa, the piapa. There are 13 letters in the piapa. That's the Hawaiian alphabet. The first 5 letters are known as vowels, known as vowels, known as vowels. The first 5 letters are known as vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The last 8 letters are the consonants, the consonants, the consonants. He, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, hue. And okina, the glottal stop. Okay, then we go on to do motions, okay? Well, we'll just go, I'll teach you folks the motions next week, okay? So we say, after we sing this, we say, ah, ala, pi, I, ah, okay? Ah, ala, pi, I, ah. We say, say, ele, pani, oke, kai, ele, pani, oke, kai, ele, pani, walrus, okay? Okay? Ipo, ha'o, kele, ave, okay? This is the iron pot, okay? O, mahi, ai, o. O in Hawaiian is digging sticks, okay? Mahi ai is the farmer, okay? So that's what the farmer used to dig holes to plant, right? You have to dig a hole to plant your seeds. So we say, o, mahi, ai, o. Okay? Then we say, u. Okay? Say, u. Upa, makani. Say, upa, makani. Okay? U. Upa makani, if you have a chimney, okay, and you light the chimney, and if the fire in the chimney goes down a little, you want to get it going up again, you use the upa makani, okay, the big fan, yeah? Upa makani. Makani is wind. Okay? Then we do the consonants, okay? We say he, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, fue. So some W's are pronounced V, like a V, okay? Then don't forget the okina, okay? You see the okina right here? Okina, then pow, okay? One more time. A, ala, pi, a. Ele, pani, oke, kai, I, ipu, ha'o, kele, ave, o, mahi, ai, o. Upa, makani, u. Okay? We say he, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, fue. And the last one is the what? kina. That's also considered an alphabet. Okay, 13 letters in the piapa. Okay, 5 of them are vowels, 8 are consonants. Okay, so we'll continue this next week. Now it's ahuiho time. Yes? Okay, ikalamai. Gotta change this. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, you folks remember ahuiho? Kalamai for facing my back. Okay. Folks remember ahuiho? Okay. Until we meet again, malamapono. Okay, here we go. Kalamai, let me kind of switch this up. It's kind of falling down. But that's okay. We get them, yeah? We get them. We got it. Okay, ahuiho, malamapono. Oy, ikalamai. Okay, you folks know. Alrighty. Ikalamai, y'all, I'm sorry and excuse me. Okay? Ahuiho, malamapono, ahuiho, malamapono, ahuiho, ene, ahuiho, ene, malamapono, ene, reach out. Reach out and touch someone in need. Make them laugh, that's what they need. Keep a smile upon your face. Spread aloha all over the place. Ahuiho, ahuiho. We gotta go, we gotta go. Catch you later, see you again. Aloha oi till then, my friend. Catch you later, see you again. Aloha oi till then, my friend. Ahuiho, until we meet again. Malamapono, take care. Everyone say aloha. Mahalo. Ahuiho.